Hi everyone, Manuel here from Infraspeak, coming to you from our offices in Porto. Today I'll guide you through the first step of a work order lifecycle by showing you how to create a work order. So, let's start. In this flux you can find the work order cycle. Note that we will focus on the first step, which is how to create a work order. For the sake of this example, we'll use the failure of an office's AC unit. Imagine that someone working at an office finds their AC is leaking water. They will call or email their service provider about it, and their service provider logs into their Infraspeak account while getting the customer report. In this video, you can see what a service provider sees. In this menu on the left here, the service provider selects the work orders and clicks on Create New Work Order. A new panel on the right will appear, and all parameters will be set according to the report. After clicking Create New Work, it will notify the assigned technicians, which you can customize, by the way. The first step of the work order is now complete, since you can find it listed, as you can see here. In another scenario, the failure is detected and reported by technicians while servicing the equipment on site. When this happens, technicians can use their Infraspeak Mobile app that allows them to report work orders with their NFC tags and smartphones, check their calendars for scheduled tasks, and access their information offline. Once logged in, the process is fairly simple. You go to Work Orders, and then at the bottom of the screen, click Create New Work Order. The technician can then fill all the required information, and when that's done, go to the bottom of the screen again and click Confirm and Create New Work Order. A new item will appear in the work order list and will be the first item on that list. Oh, and on that note, if you're using NFC tags, you rock. You can skip the Choose Location step because Infraspeak already knows it, just by reading its tag. Another scenario is if the client we mentioned earlier reports a problem, but instead of calling or emailing, he uses Infraspeak Direct to create work order directly into the provider's Infraspeak. Infraspeak Direct is a user-friendly platform focused on reporting failures and suited for those who are the eyes and ears of maintenance teams like receptionists, security, or even the end customer themselves. The main advantage is that with Direct, reports are done directly on the platform and you can avoid all communication issues. In fact, this way is so efficient that reporting failures this way helped the maintenance manager at one of our clients, Intercontinental Hotels, decrease maintenance calls by 75%. That's right, 75, that's quite a lot. I'll leave you a link to this case study in the description below if you're curious after this video. But let's go back. Once logged in, go to the top right corner to Create New Work Order. Set the parameters according to the complaint or the problem the customer finds, then go to Create Work Order, and you're done. That's it. These are the main ways of creating work orders. However, if you want to go a little further into what brought us here, there's one type of corrective maintenance known as non-catastrophic failure that can be sometimes created as special jobs. Before it becomes a catastrophic failure that may lead to critical damage to the operation or the equipment, someone is going to schedule a special job with special instruction to solve the failure. Example. Say you find excessive noise or vibration, you may need to replace one part that had more wear than expected. To do this, go to Plan Jobs and select Create Plan Job at the top left corner. A new window will open, and now you'll select the last option, Special Job. Now the General tab will open, where you'll need to provide all required information such as name for the job, a schedule, and so on. Proceed to the Interventions tab, where you can specify the tasks and its details. Once all the details are filled in, simply go to the lower right corner and click Create Plan Job. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this clip. As always, you can check out more relevant information and links in the description. And make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Stay tuned for our next episode and keep watching for this clip's pro tip. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. You may want to have work orders that are automatically created just by answering an audit with non-compliant items. Example, is anything obstructing emergency doors? If the answer is non-compliant, then you may expect Infraspeak to create a work order automatically to get someone to solve this issue. Check out the description below to learn more. Have a beautiful time!